So in the next topic of this chapter, I am going to teach you the another topic, and that is called manure. So what is manure? Actually, manure are uses to improve the quality and fertility of the soil. So it is prepared by the all the type of waste material of living organism. So here you can see what are the here in this diagram you have to see the all the waste material of living organism, and that animal excreta, and animal excreta, it is the main that material to prepare the manure. And you have in this diagram you have to see all the waste material that it is collected by the different houses, different home, and different the in related that hotel and all the type of that food companies, and that vegetable where vegetables are there, and then farmhouse. So waste material of the uh, all the type of vegetables, as well as that all the type of that degradable material, it is collected together, and then after it will use for the to prepare the manure. So firstly they have collect all the waste material, and then after they made a that huge ditch, and then they stored all the waste material in that ditch and cover with the soil. And after that there will be a decomposition process. So what is decomposition process? It is related to biological bacteria. See, some biological that decomposes bacteria are found inside the soil. So after few days or after few months they decompose all the waste material, and all the organic, it will convert all the waste material into organic components. So that process is called decomposition process, and it will going on in the presence of that decomposer bacteria. So decomposer bacteria having the major function to destroy all the waste material into the organic component. So that is the process to prepare the manure. And these in manure there will be total organic components and all the nutrient material to increase the fertility of the soil. So that manure enrich with the total manure enrich with the organic component as well as the nutrient material for the soil. So after the few months that all the storage waste material after decomposition it will convert that like a organic manure like this. Clear? So whatever showing in the screen, so it will convert into that total organic manure, related to total organic manure. So if we are using the manure in the farm area or crop area, so it is very beneficial for the soil, and it will increase the fertility of the soil, as well as it is very that positive for the environment also. So because if there will be, if we are using the manure, so there will be less use of fertilizers, because all the fertilizers are made up by chemicals. And if we are using the maximum fertilizer and related chemicals in the farmhouse or in the crop field area, so after that remaining of the fertilizers, it will mix with the rainwater and mix with the source of water like river, pond, and then lakes, and that will be the main cause of the water pollution. So we can reduce the water pollution, we can reduce the soil pollution if we are using the organic manure, and then that related to the natural manure, and it is enriched with the organic material and organic nutrient medium, as well as it is enriched with the nutrient medium for the soil. So here you can see the what is the benefits of manure. So manure is prepared by the decomposition of animal excreta and plant waste, as you know, and then manure increases soil fertility and its organic material improve soil structure also. So that is the second benefit for the farmers and for that improvement of soil. And the third one is based on biological material used, that manure can be classified as both that manure which whatever manure we are using in the crop field area, it is divided into two groups. First is compost and second is called vermicompost. So both are related to the decomposition process, but it is divided into two. First is called compost and second is called vermicompost. So in this process, first we have collected the total waste material that inside the big ditch, and then after that covered with the soil, and then after through the decomposers bacteria, it will convert into that proper organic material, or that proper organic material as well as enriched with the nutrient medium for the soil. But that process is very slow. This process is very slow, so that farmers can use the some living organism to convert this process. So they are using the here you can see they are using the earthworm. So that's why earthworm are called the friend of the farmer. So the earthworm is very playing the essential role for the soil. So they are that grasping and they are eating all the soil, and they are excreting all the soil. And but that excreting material of the soil by the earthworm, that is very useful, because they are having insert the all the that organic material from the that related waste material they are taking, and after that with soil, and after that after excretion, that excretory material, it is total convert into the fertilizer, or total convert into the manure, work as a fertilizer and total work as a manure. So that's why that earthworm is very useful. And when earthworm that all the earthworm that destroy or become died, then after this that total bodies again it will decompose inside the soil. So because boneless body is there, and it will also use for the to prepare the manure. So here you can see the preparation, that waste material, total waste material, and then that after decomposition it will convert into the simple compost, that is called the first that manure, and it is called the simple compost. And if we are using the earthworm and all the living organism which are convert the total waste material into manure, so that is called vermicompost. That manure, that related manure called the vermicompost. Clear? So here you can see the all the worms like earthworm, and maximum earthworm found in the that these related organic area where there is a organic material maximum. So that is the adaptation for the earthworm, best adaptation for the earthworm. So earthworm are increase their number to the related area, and then after they are taking all the organic component from the soil with the organic waste material, and after excretion, and they give the best fertile organic material, and these organic material collected, and that it will convert into the vermicompost. So earthworm are very useful for to prepare the vermicompost. And after that you have to see that total compost convert into the like a soil. So that soil or that manure, it is very useful to increase the fertility of the soil. and then if we are using the total organic and that enriched with the total nutrient material as a manure, so it is very useful for the soil. As you know, that previous I had explained, it will increase the fertility of the soil, first point, and then second point, and then that soil enrich with the organic component, and then second will be the, it will change the texture of the soil, it will change the texture of the soil and improve the quality of the soil. And then total organic material, it will helpful for the absorption of water, and as well as time to time releasing the water, so that organic and components are useful to absorb the water inside the soil, and as well as whatever percentage is useful for the soil, it will absorb, and then rest of the percentage releasing the releasing inside the soil. And that is the major use of the organic component. So that organic components having two rules, and that first rule is the major function, first major function is the to improve the quality of the soil and then fertility of the soil, and then second is the to improve the soil texture and improve the absorption of water inside the soil. So these are the major role of the compost and vermi compost. So that previous stage without worms, that after decomposition of the decomposer bacteria, that all the organic waste material, it is called the compost, it is called compost, but it will take a long time. So that's why when we are using the that all the worms to convert and to for the process of the decomposition, so it will take less time and it will gives the that total enriched manure to the farmer. So these are the process to prepare the compost and vermicompost. So here you all have to see the that first diagram, and that is the manure, that is original manure which is prepared after the decomposition of process, and then after that manure is useful to for the farmers, that manure useful for the cropland, crop field area, to increase the fertility of the soil and to improve the texture of the soil.